When homeowners think about energy efficiency, windows and insulation often come to mind first. However, doors play an equally important role in controlling indoor comfort and energy use. Even a high-quality door won't perform well if it isn't installed correctly. For homeowners in New Orleans, proper door installation is a key factor in improving energy efficiency and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Wide doors are a common source of energy loss. Doors are used frequently and exposed directly to outdoor conditions. Over time, gaps can form around the frame due to wear, shifting, or poor installation. In New Orleans homes, these gaps allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. This constant air exchange forces indoor systems to work harder, increasing energy use and reducing comfort. The importance of a precise fit. Energy efficiency begins with how well a door fits within its opening. Even small alignment issues can create gaps that compromise performance. Proper door installation ensures the door sits squarely in the frame and closes evenly on all sides. For New Orleans homeowners, this precise fit helps block air leaks and maintain stable indoor temperatures. Creating an airtight seal around the frame. A major benefit of professional door installation is the creation of an airtight seal. Installers use proper sealing techniques to close gaps around the door frame. In New Orleans homes, this seal prevents unwanted airflow that leads to drafts and temperature fluctuations. A well-sealed door acts as a strong barrier between indoor and outdoor environments. Improving comfort near entryways. Drafty doors can make entryways uncomfortable and affect nearby rooms. Cold or warm air leaking around the door disrupts indoor comfort. With proper installation, doors help maintain consistent temperatures in high-traffic areas. New Orleans homeowners often notice that entryways feel more comfortable and inviting once air leaks are addressed. Reducing energy waste over time. Air leaks around doors contribute to energy waste by allowing conditioned air to escape. This leads to higher energy use and increased utility costs. Proper door installation reduces this waste by keeping conditioned air inside. For New Orleans homeowners, this improved efficiency supports long-term energy savings without sacrificing comfort. Supporting stable indoor conditions. Homes with poorly installed doors often experience uneven temperatures from room to room. Air leaks create hot or cool spots that are hard to control. Properly installed doors help maintain balanced indoor conditions. New Orleans homeowners benefit from rooms that feel more consistent and comfortable throughout the day. Enhancing the performance of energy-efficient doors. Even energy-efficient doors rely on correct installation to perform as intended. Without proper alignment and sealing, their benefits can be lost. In New Orleans homes, professional installation ensures energy-efficient door features work effectively. Homeowners get the full value of their door investment. Preventing long-term maintenance issues. Poor installation can lead to shifting, sticking, and frequent adjustments. These issues not only affect comfort but also require ongoing maintenance. Proper door installation reduces wear and tear. New Orleans homeowners enjoy doors that operate smoothly and maintain their seal over time. A smart investment in energy efficiency. Energy efficiency isn't just about materials, it's about execution. Proper door installation plays a critical role in controlling air movement and maintaining indoor comfort. For homeowners in New Orleans, investing in professional door installation is a practical step toward improved energy efficiency. By reducing air leaks and stabilizing indoor conditions, properly installed doors help create a more comfortable, efficient home that performs well year after year.